We have new information tonight on an NBC3 investigation that started more than 8 months ago. In March, some homeowners contacted us looking for someone to listen to their story. They claimed they had paid thousands of dollars to a local fence company who took their down payment but never did the work. Well, tonight, after our investigation, the state attorney general has gone to court against the owners of Metro Fence. Letters went out a few weeks ago to several former customers. It says a court order now prohibits owners Richard and Rebecca Mullen from owning any home improvement business, including fence installation, unless they meet certain conditions. Those include posting a $25,000 bond with the AG's office if they want to do business again. The Mullens must pay nearly $13,000 in restitution to 5 clients, and Metro Fence also owes penalties of $3,000. So what about the customers who lost their money? We first saw Brian Brown's backyard last spring when an orange plastic temporary fence guarded his pool. Now a 6-foot decorative fence surrounds the snow-covered backyard. It was not installed by Metro Fence.
I guess the only thing that I would say is I'd be very cautious in the future to give anybody money up front before material showed up at my house or some work began.
When Brian first contacted us, his official complaint with New York's Attorney General filed months before had gone nowhere.
After your story aired, they had contacted me and said they were going to do some additional follow-up, asked me a few more questions.
Several other homeowners say the Attorney General did the same with them. They had paid deposits to Metro Fence where the work was never done. During our NBC3 investigation last spring, the owner of Metro Fence confirmed he owed 5 homeowners a total of $20,000 in deposits he took for work he didn't do. Several customers took him to small claims court. We were there as an Oswego City judge ruled in favor of those customers. Rich Mullen and Metro Fence did not show for the court date and did not communicate with the court. At the time, we could only reach Mullen by phone.
This is what's happened, and I apologize for it, but this is what's happened, and we're trying to work through it.
We were told not to record.
We later learned Mullen was an elected member of the Albion Town Board in Oswego County. He denied our request to talk on camera about being a government leader who was not responding to legal proceedings. And now the New York Attorney General has added another court judgment to the record.
But I question why more wasn't done. To me, it's just frustrating that the Mullens have my money, they have other people's money, and the judgment to me, I don't know, maybe I'll see that money, maybe I won't, maybe it'll be 5 years from now before I see it, and in my eyes, they're walking around with my money with really no punishment.
I contacted the Attorney General's office to talk further about the court action against Metro Fence. They have yet to comment. I have been in touch with some of the other Metro Fence customers who received that same letter from the AG. They do not expect to get their money back either. The Attorney General wrote in that letter, quote, "This process does not guarantee that your claim will be paid."